Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will know how to add watermark for the photos taken through camera of your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, open camera in your phone here and go to the settings of camera here. And here select watermark. Just you go to turn on this button, add a watermark, turn on this button, and you can write your own watermark here. By default it is available as short with my Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. You can delete it and you can include your own watermark. So here I delete and I include my website name. You can add any name here, maybe your name or your friend name or whatever you want. Here I just type my website name called www.facultyon.com. Okay, click on done. Now go back and shoot photos. Now I would like to shoot a photo. I shoot this one and open the photo that you took. See in the bottom left side there is watermark printed. Okay, www.facultyon.com. Okay, so whatever you add in the watermark option, just they will appear here. In this way you can easily include watermark for your photos captured through camera of your tablet Samsung Galaxy A7 Lite. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.